We have with us tonight a couple of visitors, in as much as we got Stripes and Whiskey. Last time Whiskey was here, she could see all the ribs. She went away and she'd been fed up, had the rug on. Had a vet look at her and the vet said put her down, so he went to another vet and now we've got a good horse again. But this bloke here, 2 weeks ago, foundered. Look at the crest on his neck here, look at the crest. And look at the feet. What do we got? So hopefully in the morning when it's not 31 degrees, we'll be able to get him looking a bit decent. This one over here is not too bad. And just like that, the guests are trimmed and cleaned up. You're going home today there, Mr. Stripes? Look at the size of the crest on the man. No wonder he found it. Look at this. Ryegrass and clover pasture, eh? Good for beef cattle, not so crash hot for horses. Hey,